മേലെ മേലെ മാനം മാനം നീരെ മഞ്ഞിൻ കൂടാരം അതിലാരോ ആരാരോ നിറദീപം ചാത്തുന്നു. Hi friends, namaste.
Hi friends, namaste.
Hope all of you are safe and staying home. Today we will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Now I'm going to be showing you how to turn the Rubik's Cube on a specific letter. So if I say R, it's just the right column here being turned clockwise, which is this way. So I'll turn it this way. If I say R dash, means the opposite, so anti-clockwise, which is this way, like that. If I say R2, it's just R double, so you're doing R 2 times. Next one is L. L is just the left column being turned clockwise. So this side, clockwise would be this way. Means you'd be turning it down. If I say L dash, you'll be doing the opposite, going anti-clockwise, like this. Say L2, just be doing L 2 times, like this. Next is U. U is the upper row being turned, so U would be clockwise. If you put on the top, clockwise, that way. So this is U. If you say U dash, opposite, anti-clockwise. If you say U2, just U 2 times. Now we're going to do F. F is the front layer, so if you hold it this way, it will be the front layer being turned clockwise. This is an easy one because you're on that face. So clockwise. Anti-clockwise is F dash. And he's a special one. His small f, this small f in this, small f is when you take 2 layers, the front and the middle layer, and turn it clockwise. Small f dash is the other way with both of the layers. F2, just the 2 layers being turned 2 times. Now B. B is for the back layer. So if you go to the back layer, you'll see clockwise. So you'll turn it this way. Turn it back. Clockwise would be this way. That's B. B dash, anti-clockwise. B2, 2 times B. That's the letters that will be used in the following algorithm. Now I have mixed my Rubik's Cube all up. So the first step is to find the yellow center. So I found it. I'm going to stay on that side. Then there's the edge pieces. These that make up a plus are called edge pieces. You're first going to find the white edge pieces and bring it to the yellow. So if I check, I find 2 white edge pieces here. So it's simple. All you have to do is F dash. And then do R and L dash to it. Now we've got one here. Just do R. Let's look around. No. Then maybe it's on the bottom. I found it on the bottom. If we turn it like this, the one here will go. So we'll turn it to the side where there's no edge piece. So here, Then I just do F2. Now I've got plus sign, yellow center, white edge pieces. With that, the next step is to find the matching center. So finding the matching center, I have white here, green here. I'm going to match the green to its center, which is right here. Then I'm just going to do F2. Found the red, already done. F2. Orange. There. F2. And blue. F2. So now I've got a plus on my white. All of them in the correct. We do this to find the correct center, so then the next step will be easy. Next step, you find on the top layer I have found one white. Now I'm going to look what's on the other side, which is red. I match it with the red center and just do this algorithm. R, U, R dash. Now we have connected this with the correct sides and colors. Next, I'm going to find the next one. I found a white here, orange here. Bring it to the orange center. Do the same thing. R, U, R dash. Here we've got it. Do the same until the whole thing is completed. So if you can't find any more on the top layer, you just find it on the bottom layer. If it's on the bottom layer, then do this. R, U dash, R dash. Then it will become on the top layer. White, red, connect to the red center, and do it. If it's on the left side, all you have to do is L dash, U dash, L. Then you've got that. And the last one, green, R, U, R dash. There, so now you've got all the pieces that are on the corner. You've got all the corner pieces connected. And you've finished the white face. Now we're going to the second layer. The second layer you do is find a block which has no yellow on it. So find an edge piece that has no yellow on it. I found one here. Match it to its center. It's already matched. And look at which side the color on top is. So it's on my right side. So what you do, U, R, U, R dash. Now we've got that white taken out. Then you find the white color there is orange, match it to the orange center and do L dash, U dash, L. So now we've got the joint here connected. Next, look for another piece that has no yellow on it. So I found this piece matched with the blue center. The red is on my right side again. I was saying U, R dash. Bring it to the red center. Then do L dash, U dash, L. Got it here. Now found another one. This is also on my right side. I'm gonna do U, R dash, L dash, U dash, L. Now I haven't finished it correctly. If you can't find any more on the top layer, find the one which has doesn't have the second layer complete, and just do U, R dash, bring it, U, L dash, U dash, L. There, so I'm gonna find it. Orange here, right side, U, R dash, bring it here, L dash, U dash, L. now I've completed the second layer. If the color which is on top is on your left side, you just do U dash, L dash, U dash, L. Then bring it to its center, correct center, on the other side of the white. Then do R, U, R dash. That's all you have to do, then you'll get it. Now, the next step after you've finished the second layer is the yellow cross. So in this case, I have a line here. In the line, the algorithm to make it is F, R, U, R dash, U dash, F dash. So now I've got the plus and two corner pieces. After you've got the plus, you're going to do the following. R, U, R dash, U, R, U, 2, R dash. Now I've got plus and two more corner pieces differently. This time I'm going to do the same thing, but this is going to be in the line on your right side. Do the same thing. R, U, R dash, U, R, U, 2, R dash. Here I've got one corner piece now and plus. Turn it so that the corner piece is on your left. Do R, U, R dash, U, R, U, 2, R dash. Do the same thing. Make sure it's on the left side and dash. Now you've fixed the yellow face. Now you've solved the yellow layer without taking anything from the second layer and the white layer. Now we're going to do the last layer, which is looking for a headlight. A headlight is when two of the same colors are on two of the corner pieces. So this is not a headlight because this is orange and this is red. This is not a headlight. This is green and this is orange. This is a headlight because this is blue and blue. So to get all of the top layer as a headlight, you're going to do the following algorithm. R dash, F, R dash, B2, R, R, F dash, R dash, B2, R2. So now you've gotten all of the sides headlights. Now what you're going to be looking for is a bar. For a bar is when the whole color, one color is on the whole top layer. So this is not a bar, this is not a bar, this is not a bar, this is a bar because they're all blue. So put that at the back and do R, U dash, R, U, R, U, R, U dash, R dash, U dash, R2. So you will be needing to do it more than 3 times. videos. Bye!